Well, hello there everyone. Welcome back to what is a chilly day in Project Fiero. In case you don't know what you're looking at right now, this is the wrecked Fiero that we are taking the frame pieces off of. Over the last 3 days, my grandfather and I have been drilling spot welds, angle grinding, sawzalling, finding half-heartedly broken spot welds. That was somehow holding the frame rail more solidly than we would have imagined. So yeah, we spent the last 3 days getting this side off. Now we just gotta take care of the other side, and knowing what we know now, it should go a lot faster. So take it to the other side here. This side is not quite as good as the left side, mainly because of this damage here from getting hit on the side. There's a little bit of damage to the lower battery tray here, but out of all the other parts cars here, this has the best lower battery tray, so this is the one that I have elected to use. As for the frame rail, some of the spot welds have already been cut. There's just these ones here and probably a few other ones that are hiding, like these that haven't been cut yet. Hopefully after we get the rail cut here, it should pop on out, save for any more hidden spot welds that were half-heartedly cut. Yeah. But once this is out, we are going to fabricate a patch running from roughly here where this spot weld is, and fill in the remaining length that is the damaged rail. And then hopefully that will be the hard part all done, although I very much doubt it, because projects never go the way you want them to, right? Right. Yeah, the harder part will probably be actually getting the clean pieces onto my car, because I gotta deal with all the rust there, get the body panels off in one piece, unlike these ones, which were already damaged. Then actually being able to put in the time to make it all happen, which is going to be the real kicker to everything, as is with all projects. But if I'm talking, I'm not doing anything, so I'm gonna hop right to it. Alright, now that I've gotten most, if not all, the spot welds cut, use a crowbar, make sure it's all loose. That's how we find them stray welds that haven't been cut. Alright, that's all good there. What about underneath? Yep, that's all good there. Okay, what about here? Here. Oh, wait, there's one that I didn't cut. I love cutting spot welds. All right. That one's free. Now it's just this side that we gotta cut out. Hopefully, cut it at the front too. We can get this puppy out. Let's see if it'll come out at all. Looks like it's gonna be
6.5 hours later.
Okay, now as you've probably seen, on that right-hand side rail, the front portion of it is damaged beyond use. But never fear, my grandfather and I, we picked up some 2-inch by 2-inch square tubing. It's about twice as thick as the stock metal, but that will give us some room for error, so to speak, when we go to make our patch. And also provide some extra strength. Now, up here, where the rails and trunk corners are being kept until they are used, we've also got some, get the size, but it's just a little bit smaller than the inside of the tubing here. And that's gonna be welded to the top inside corner and help provide some additional strength, as well as a mounting point for the new rails. Here we go, Fiero fans. The last major piece needed for the frame restoration, the lower battery tray. Now, I probably could have opted to cut this off and just use the brand new one that I had bought, but this was all here together already, and I figured if I could get it all out in one piece, I would, because then I wouldn't have to do as much welding in of the new battery tray, and I could just use the one side piece in here from the kit that came from the Fiero store, and save myself a lot of headache of trying to line everything up. Now, yes, I do have to bang it out a little from being sideswiped there, but that won't be too much trouble. Well, this has been quite a journey with making this video. It took a few weeks to film it, but worth it. Well, I hope you'll join me for part 3 of this frame project restoration series. I'm looking forward to it. I'm also looking to making part 4, where we actually start taking off the old metal, which is pretty much just going to be like part 2 here, but more horrific, so to speak. Well, if you like what you see here, I hope you'll give the video a like. If you want to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications icon. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.